Welcome! I'm going to show you around this house and talk about the parts of the house. Come on in. This is the living room. You can also say living area or family area or living space. There are sofas, coffee table, stereo. There is a vaulted ceiling, and ceiling fans. This house is very bright, and that's because of the big windows. These are floor-to-ceiling windows. This is the countertop. There are stools here, bar stools. There is a dish rack. This is the sink. There's a stove top, an oven. We use the fridge to keep things cool. Freezer. This is a cupboard. Silverware. These are all silverware. This is a closet. You can just hang clothes on here. This is a king-size bed, a balcony, and a beautiful ocean view. Here there are 2 sinks. There's also a toilet. It's outside. It's an open air shower. These are shower heads. The dining table is outside.